Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel brownies. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare an 8x8-inch baking pan. Melt 1/2 cup of butter, then whisk in 1 cup of sugar and 2 large eggs until smooth. In a separate bowl, combine 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, and a pinch of salt. Gently fold the dry ingredients into the wet mixture until just combined. Pour this batter into your prepared 8x8-inch baking pan. Bake for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out with moist crumbs. While the brownies cool slightly, prepare your caramel layer. This ensures a perfect texture for the next step. Once the brownie base has cooled for about 15 minutes, carefully pour your warm, homemade caramel sauce evenly over the top. Next, generously sprinkle 1 cup of your favorite chocolate chips over the gooey caramel layer. Return the pan to the oven and bake for an additional 10 to 12 minutes, or until the caramel is bubbly and the chocolate is melted. This final step is crucial for perfect caramel brownies. Let them cool completely, ideally for at least 2 hours, before attempting to cut them. This prevents the caramel from sticking and ensures clean, neat squares. Use a sharp knife to cut into 16 delicious pieces. Enjoy your homemade treat. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.